It looks beauty. It looks beauty. No.
She puts all her hair up here and ties it all right here, and then she's got that one strap.
No,
right
because
there.
that's what the attraction is. It's like what's behind that face? What's behind that face?
I
You gotta leave me
the hair.
Back in the 80s, 70s, and back in the 80s, you didn't have that big old loop right here. Now, you know how you had.
We had the feathers.
And then you had
the bangs.
that big old loop right here.
The bangs. Wow. It wasn't that loop.
No, but really.
It was a loop.
No.
It was no
awesome
bang.
too.
So well, that's what she thinks. And
But
you had to stick it up about like this
It's
big.
awesome.
You gotta leave something to the
We look awesome with our loop.
No, but literally, that looks better. Okay?
Feathers.
They don't know style.
Bring it down, bring it down.
Feathers.
What she do with it?
Yeah, we were feathered and feathered.
Yeah, right there, right there. Looks so sexy.
We were feathered.
And how much hairspray do you have on that feather?
A lot of it. Aquanet.
It just move a little bit.
Aquanet.
Yeah, there you go.
You know, it's like.
Got the camera reverse.